Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own LLC in Indiana. I remember the first time when I was creating my own company, I was a little bit scared. What is going to happen, that I'm going to start my own business, but I was excited at the same time because I knew that what I'm going to do is that I'm going to focus on generating revenue, providing value for the people, and not taking care about accounting or creating the business. And this is something that I recommend for you too, is to not focusing on creation of the whole things by yourself, but outsourcing things. This is the big difference between the successful businessman and someone who is lost. Because someone who is lost, they are micromanaging everything, and that's not right. So the first thing you want to do is just easily scroll down below to the description and click on a link. When you will do it, you will get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company. It's going to help you create your own company. And what you're going to do here, just click here, start my own business. Here you're going to have LLC, and then you want to click on the state of formation and see and find here the Indiana. When you're going to do it, you're going to find 3 packages that you can choose from. You can go with the silver, which is going to be the preparing and filling also the articles of organization. Then unlimited name searches. Excuse me, I had to... free registered agent service for a year. But with the gold version, you're going to have the business tax number, IRS form, operating agreement, also the unlimited phone email support, which is huge here, also the business tax consultation. Now you get also options to go with the platinum version, and the huge 3 things here, this is literally similar as with the gold one, but you're gonna have the business contract templates, expedited feeling that it would be faster to create your company if you want to go with the platinum then, and domain name and business email. My recommendation is going with the gold package here, and that's what I will click on. First name, last name, email, and this is something that we're gonna add. So I will add Marcus Stonelius. Now I'll add email address. Okay, when I have it, I'm going to add also my phone number here. Like this. And then also the street address. So copy, paste, then also the town. And zip code. And now you're going to select also the state, Indiana. Now when I got it, what I'll do, I will press next. Now you have option to choose the state filling time. This is what I was talking about. But if you don't have the platinum version, you will find it in the gold one. So you have option to go with the 3 weeks filling time or 3 business days filling time. I will choose the 3 weeks filling time only because then you can easily choose the platinum package later on. So I will click next here. And now I'm going to add the LLC name, which is going to be the sound with the name of your company. So let's say bakery by Jessica or hair salon by Marcus, whatever. Then designator, you're gonna have the LLC or limited liability company, you choose that. So I will choose here the LLC. And you see the official company name will display as Sunwe LLC. Number of members, owners, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm alone, so I'll choose just me. And then business purpose. So business purpose is going to be providing marketing services to small business owners. You'll just add the business purpose, and then you can have the industry keyword, and it can be, let's say, marketing. And I see the options here. So this is like the keyword marketing consulting services. And I'm going to choose that. And okay, this seems good for me. Then I'm going to add the company address information. And here you have an option to choose the professional business address and you can maintain privacy by using commercial address or use your own address. I'm going to choose my own address here and then simply choose it here, and I'm good to go and press next. Now when I got it, I have option to choose the premium service package here. So in the premium service package, it's going to gold plus those $149 if I want to go with the premium, and you will get the expedited filling service, 3 business days to make your company, the filling, then business contract templates, and you would have 25 high quality contract templates, demand letter, non-compete agreement, employment agreement. So a lot of letter templates that you can find here. And then you would get also domain name and business email address. So that's another thing what you can get. So then you can click no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity, or get upgrade and bonus. Then you're gonna have the members here. So I'm going to add my name and also the street address and 100% of ownership. Then again next. And then you're gonna have the registered agent information. Annual report statements, state correspondences, service of process. This is something that I would definitely recommend to have with the Incfile, or you can do it by yourself, but again, you're missing time for actually generating revenue. So I will go assign Incfile for 1 year. And then why use as a registered agent, guaranteed rates, all-inclusive, reduced junk mail. It's free, so why not? Then it's going to be 100 like 20 volume. Then I'm going to have my own name here, and then also the tax identification number information. So it's a 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS and used to identify taxpayers. We will apply and obtain your AIN from the IRS electronically. Okay, that seems good. And I'm going to add my IT number or SSN number. And then again, I'm going to choose my physical street address here. And then next. Here you get also option to set up your own business account, and you can choose. They are got like the cooperation with Bank of America, so you can please have a Bank of America small business specialist contact me, or not at this time. This is completely up to you if you like the idea or if you want to create a bank account with them. Then again, I'm going to press next here, and then you're gonna have the tax strategy free consultation. And here, how your LLC is taxed, how to choose the proper IRS tax election. This is something that I would definitely recommend to have, the free consultation. And just click here, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation for free. And when you got it, press next here. Now we identify 2 licenses for your consulting businesses in Indiana. And then I'll click here that yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. This is something that I recommend again to do. So they will solve everything for you. They will just send it to your home. Much easier than doing it by yourself. Then I'm going to press next. And here we're going to find a review order for our company. So I'm going to have the contact information, agent info, company information, member information, business tax consultation, licenses. So all what we added, you can edit it of course here. Everywhere. And we're going to review it and like, okay, everything's fine, click next. And then billing information. So here you just add card first name, last name, card number, street address, and then complete and pay. Now, if you're going to fill it out and just complete and pay, Incfile is going to like also write you out and ask you some stuff, and then you're good to go. So this is pretty much it, how we can do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're gonna have any questions, let me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.